Are you ready to detox your body and feel healthier? Today, we're going to introduce you to a detox diet plan that can help eliminate toxins and boost your health. It's about saying no to alcohol, coffee, cigarettes, refined sugars, saturated fats, and processed foods. It means embracing fiber-rich foods and drinking plenty of water. Prepare yourself for a rejuvenating journey towards better health. Day 1 of your detox journey begins now. Kickstart your morning with warm water and a squeeze of lemon or a cleansing herb tea, followed by some energizing exercise. For breakfast, enjoy a fresh vegetable juice with a tablespoon of chia seeds. Lunch is a vibrant mix of your favorite veggies. For dinner, cook up a hearty, vegetable-rich broth. Snack on a mix of nuts, seeds, and low GI fruits throughout the day. Remember to hydrate with at least 8 glasses of water. Congratulations on completing day 1 of your detox plan. Welcome to day 2 of your detox journey. Begin your day with a refreshing squeeze of lemon into warm water or a cleansing herb tea. Energize your body with a brisk walk, bike ride, yoga, or a swim. For breakfast, enjoy a fresh vegetable juice with a spoonful of chia seeds. At lunch, savor lightly cooked vegetables with quinoa and a baby spinach salad. For dinner, relish a vegetable stew tossed with extra virgin olive oil, lemon juice, and garlic. Don't forget to snack on a variety of seeds and nuts. Well done on finishing day 2 of your detox plan. Day 3 of your detox journey is here. Start your morning with a half lemon squeezed into warm water or a cleansing herb tea, followed by your choice of exercise. For breakfast, enjoy natural yogurt with fresh fruits, topped with chia seeds, sliced almonds, and walnuts. Lunch is a hearty lentil and vegetable stew, garnished with coriander or parsley. Dinner brings a refreshing raw papaya and carrot salad, dressed with balsamic vinegar, extra virgin olive oil, and a squeeze of fresh lemon. Congratulations on completing day 3 of your detox plan. You're well on your way to a healthier, toxin-free body. Keep pushing through the remaining 4 days, remembering the importance of this detox journey. Even after the detox, maintain balance in your diet. Stay tuned for more health and wellness tips. Here's to a healthier, happier you. How's your current diet? Are you looking to improve it? If yes, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into day 4 of our rejuvenating diet plan, designed to make you feel healthy inside and out. Let's kickstart the day with some cleansing warm water with a squeeze of half a lemon or a refreshing herb tea. Follow this up with a brisk walk, a bike ride, yoga, or swimming. The choice is yours. For breakfast, imagine a coconut banana power smoothie. You'll need 100 grams of natural yogurt or organic coconut milk, a tablespoon of cold pressed coconut oil, and a whole or half banana. Don't forget to add a tablespoon of chia seeds for that extra boost. Blend these ingredients in a high-speed blender for a power-packed start to your day. Lunch calls for a bowl of mouth-watering vegetable stew paired with a cup of quinoa or amaranth. And for dinner, a hearty lentil and vegetable stew awaits you. Remember, this diet plan is all about feeding your body the best food to make you feel healthy inside and out. Let's move to day 5. Welcome to day 5 of our diet plan. Ready to feel more energized and refreshed? Let's dive into the menu. Kickstart your day with a refreshing lemon water or a cleansing herb tea, followed by your choice of physical activity. For breakfast, enjoy a fresh vegetable juice blended with a spoonful of chia seeds. Lunch is a plate of steamed vegetables of your choice, seasoned with fresh herbs, olive oil, and crushed pumpkin seeds. Combine this with organic brown rice and a handful of almonds. End your day with a salad of fresh rocket leaves, red capsicum, mushroom slices, and onions, sprinkled with sunflower seeds and dressed with olive oil, lemon, and fresh herbs. Day 6 begins with the same invigorating start. For breakfast, savor a fruit compote of dried fruits and flaked almonds paired with plain yogurt. Lunch is a comforting lentil and vegetable soup with brown rice and amaranth. Dinner is a raw papaya and carrot salad. Great job on making it this far. Stick with it and you'll see fantastic results. On to day 7. You've made it to day 7. Let's finish strong with a day of nourishing meals. Kick off the morning with a revitalizing drink of warm water or cleansing herb tea infused with the fresh zest of half a lemon. Follow this with your choice of brisk walk, bike ride, yoga, or swimming. For breakfast, whip up a coconut banana power smoothie. Come lunchtime, savor a bowl of lentil and vegetable soup, paired with a side of tossed greens, dressed with olive oil and a splash of lemon juice. Don't forget to add a handful of raw almonds and raisins for that extra crunch. As the day winds down, treat yourself to a dinner of grilled mushrooms, green salad, sweet potato mash, and half a cup of brown rice. Congratulations, you've completed the 7-day cleanse. You should be feeling fantastic, rejuvenated, and motivated to continue feeding your body the best food. Remember, a healthy outside starts from the inside. Keep up the good work.